Rick asks, during test day, if I have time remaining and I find myself using this leftover review time inefficiently, the brain is tired. I get that. What are your best practice suggestions? So on the official exam day, if you have time left and you've completed all the questions, you're feeling pretty good about them, and you feel like any extra time you spend on the questions themselves is actually going to be counterproductive or maybe a wash at best, then put your head down and rest, dude. It's okay. The fact that you have 3 sections back to back, a short break, and then 2 more back to back, that's a lot. That's exhausting. And so if you could give yourself a minute or 2 in between sections, and that could freshen you up for the next section to come, that's fine. Take it. However, if you find that you have 3 to 5 minutes remaining and you have a handful of questions that you were not sure of, or you think might be worthy of another look, then I would recommend going back and giving those another shot, or giving them another look. Maybe you'll see something that you didn't see before. And of course, also practice this during your next upcoming timed practice exam. Walk through it and see what that looks like. See what that experience looks like for you. Is the extra couple minutes having your head down to rest, is it valuable? Or are you finding that there was something that you were not sure of? And maybe you would have been better off giving that another look. And maybe the benefit of that extra point is worth having less rest time in between sections. Nobody can tell you what to do here. This is something that you've got to figure out for yourself during your next couple of practice runs before test day. But it's a valid strategy to rest. I'm not going to discount that.